In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign tutorial, how to correct envelopes in Docusign step by step, 5 minutes. If you've sent an envelope and noticed a mistake, Docusign's correction mode lets you fix it without starting over. First, sign in to your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the Agreements tab. This is where all of your envelopes live. To focus on items that are still moving through the workflow, switch to the In Progress view. You'll see a list of envelopes that haven't been completed yet. Find the envelope you need to adjust. On the right side of that row, click the three-dot More menu, then choose Correct or Edit Information. This opens correction mode and temporarily pauses routing so you can safely make changes. You'll land on the Recipients section. Here you can update names, fix email addresses, or adjust signing order, but only for people who haven't signed yet. If a recipient has already completed their part, Docusign locks that record to preserve the audit trail. Make sure the signing order reflects how you want the document to move, especially if you use sequential routing. Next, go to Documents. You can replace a file, add a missing document, or reorder the set as long as no one has signed. If any signer has already applied a signature, document level changes aren't allowed because they would invalidate what was signed. When you do replace or add files, plan to recheck your fields afterward since the layout might shift. Move on to fields to adjust tags. You can add new signature, date, or text fields, drag existing tags into the right spot, or delete anything that shouldn't be there. Use the recipient selector to confirm each person has the correct fields and that any mandatory fields are set to required. Take a moment to zoom in and align fields cleanly so signers have a smooth experience. When your updates look good, click Next, add fields to review the placement one last time in the tagging view. This is a great moment to flip through each page and each recipient color, making sure nothing overlaps or falls off the page. Finally, click Correct to save your changes and resume sending. Docusign will apply your updates and continue the workflow from where it left off. Recipients who are waiting will see the corrected version automatically. Before you close the tab, double-check the status to confirm the envelope is back in progress and moving as expected. That's it. Your envelope is corrected and back on track.